guys, it's Shanice. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome. If you're new, thank you to all of y'all who have been watching all of these videos within 12 days of Shanice. I really appreciate it. So today with this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a little bit of inside scoop on some of my jewelry collection that I have here. So normally when I wear jewelry, I only wear gold jewelry. Most of my gold jewelry is from Barbados, which is real gold, but I also do wear gold plated jewelry as well sometimes. So I'll be going through some of the brands that I normally get some of my gold jewelry from. So before we begin, make sure to like, comment what you think about some of the jewelry that you see here, if you may possibly look into getting some of these items, and then also subscribe. Some of y'all be watching me, but y'all not subscribed, and I see y'all. But let's begin. So the first brand I'm gonna start with is a brand called Silvax. I'm not sure if that's how you actually pronounce it, but that's how it looks like to me. So with Silvax, they do sell personalized jewelry, and most of their jewelry is 18 karat gold. So the necklaces I actually have on my neck is from Silvax. The first necklace actually says signed Shanice. So most of the time when I'll get necklaces or just personalized jewelry of any sort, most of the time they'll say like a nickname, or they'll say my astrology sign, or like something that relates to my birthday. So again, the top one says signed Shanice, which is actually my Instagram name. The necklace towards the bottom is a crown, and it actually says Shanice G on it. So I'll insert some close-up clips so you guys can see it a little bit closer. And the next item we have is actually this initial chain. So it actually says an S within calligraphy. And one of the cute things about Silvax, it actually has this, it actually has hearts on the back of, like these tiny hearts on the back of their necklaces where you clasp it, which I actually think is really cute. So some of the rings I got from Silvax is the signed Shanice, so it actually matches the necklace. I love the specific font they have on the ring. It kind of matches the necklace, but it's just cute in smaller form. Then I got this 1996 ring, and it has a heart towards the bottom as well, which is pretty cute. And then we have the S initial on a ring as well. So you can see that as well. I really love the signed Shanice. I think that one's my favorite. So the next brand we have, I do sometimes shop at Maxx. They have really affordable stuff. So I'll do the jewelry towards the back, which is from Maxx. So this necklace, a lot of people do wear necklaces like this, but a lot of the times they're a little bit thicker. So this necklace is actually thin, which I really love. It's great for layering. Then we also have this necklace here, which actually just says love. It's kind of like the love that you see on the sign in Philly. So the love is stacked up with the LO at the top and the V at the bottom. and it hangs down as well. Then we also have this necklace, which is actually the last necklace from TJ Maxx. It's a little tangled. Okay, so it's a 2-layered necklace, and the top layer is like the evil eye, so it has a little encrusted diamonds within it, and then it has the hand symbol at the bottom. So it's really, really cute. Again, with the layers, it's great for turtlenecks, or just in general if you have like a low collared top. The next brand I have for y'all is Vanessa Mooney. So Vanessa Mooney is actually this necklace. So this necklace actually has the sun symbol or sun pendant on the necklace, and I thought that was actually pretty dope. It's really, really cute, especially like if you're wearing some brown tones, like the gold Cuban style necklace would look really nice. But the sun pendant also will look nice within the summer as well. Also got this ring from Vanessa Mooney as well, and it's just a little bit of a heart symbol. The last brand I have happens to be from My Name Necklace. So the box actually says pretty things inside, and that is very true. So the first item we have is y'all seeing very candid moments. The first necklace we have is My Name Necklace, and it just says my first name with my last name initial on the next to it. I really love the way this font is actually typed out. It's really, really nice, and it really looks like good quality necklace. And the second necklace I got just says the date of my birthday, so 11/12/96 as well, and it's within the same font as the name necklace as well. The next items I'm going to talk about today are some of the birthday gifts that I received, some early birthday gifts. So I don't necessarily know where they're from, but I did want to show you guys. So the first necklace is actually a CC necklace, so you know, a little Chanel symboled necklace. The second one is a Louis Vuitton symboled necklace, so it just has the diamonds along the L symbol, which is really, really cute. And the third necklace from my birthday gifts are the CC symbol again, the Chanel symbol, but within a circle format. So those are some of the items that I wanted to show you guys. I know a lot of people who tend to wear gold-plated jewelry, and a lot of times they think it's turning fast, because I thought that as well. Up to about like a couple weeks ago, I realized that it's actually just tarnished and you can clean it off. So the great thing about Silvax, it actually comes with the little jewelry cloth within the box, so you can actually use it to clean off your jewelry. So I'm gonna give you guys a little example on how to clean your jewelry. I would recommend cleaning your jewelry probably 1 to 2 times a month, especially if you're like wearing it more or just sitting. Definitely still clean it as well. You don't want the tarnish to build up. The necklace I'm going to be doing this on is actually a little bit old, so all of the tarnish may not come off, but a good amount will come off. I tried it with another necklace and it worked. So I wanted to put you guys on to this. So I got this old necklace that I have, and it just says my first name on it. So I'm gonna come a little bit closer to y'all so y'all can see. If you can see, It does have a little bit of tarnish on it, so I am gonna clean it off. Let's see. So you can see it's a little bit brown. So I have this old necklace that I have, and it says Shanice. It has gained tarnish over the last couple of years. I just thought it was rusting, so I'm going to be showing you how to clean it. As you can see, it's a little brown from the tarnish. Hopefully you guys can see that really good. So as you can see, this is the necklace first. You're going to take your little jewelry cloth and you're just going to rub on the necklace. So just rub it up some. Then you're going to clean down the sides of the necklace. Don't forget the back as well. It's crazy how much dirt will come off. As you can see, like some of the marks on it. So the tarnish is coming off with the jewelry cloth. Look how much dirt is on this cloth, especially from the chain part of the necklace. It's actually unbelievable. Let's see if you can see. It looks a bit cleaner. I'll also take a close-up for y'all. I don't know if you guys can really see the difference, but here you'll see all the dirt that came off. There are also many other ways to clean tarnish off of necklaces or just gold-plated jewelry in general. You can do your research on the internet. But with this cleaning demonstration being done, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for another day within 12 days of Shanice tomorrow. Bye guys.